If going live feels like work, like something that you have to do, but you're not really seeing any growth from it, this is why. A lot of entrepreneurs start going live with excitement. They think this is gonna help me grow. But after a few lives, it starts to feel very heavy, like a lot of pressure. Almost like, I have to go live again, right? Or I don't know what to say, okay? This isn't really working how I thought it was. And that's where people actually start to slow down in their live streams, and they might even stop. Going live starts to feel like work when it doesn't feel like it's leading anywhere. I've seen this happen with so many live creators. They show up, they talk, they try, but their lives feel very random. There's no direction, no structure, and no clear growth. So it just feels like effort without any type of results. Now, your live shouldn't feel like random effort. It should feel like it's building something or building towards something. So let me show you how to shift that. First, you need to give your lives purpose. Every time you go live, there should be a reason why you're going live. Not just, I'm going live to be going live, but what am I helping with today? That clarity changes everything. Next, you need to connect your lives to each other. Meaning, if every live that you do is separate, it's gonna feel like you're starting over each time. But when your lives connect, right, now it feels like progress because this live connects to this live, connects to this live, right? You're building something over time. Now, start treating your lives like they are events. When your lives feel random, they feel very small. But when you treat them like they're events, they start to feel more important, right? You set a time, talk about it before. You're gonna give it a purpose. Now it's gonna feel like something real, something that people would want to be a part of. So focus on building, not just showing up. Don't just think, I need to go live. Think more like I'm building an audience. I'm building a community. I'm building something that's going to grow. That little shift changes how you show up every single time. Your goal is to look for momentum, not for perfection. So growth doesn't happen just overnight. It's going to build on top of each other. So instead of just asking, did this work? Ask, am I building momentum? Okay, that's the real goal. How can I build my momentum up so that way I can grow faster? So if going live feels like work, here's what's really happening. There's no clear purpose. There's no connection, and there's no connection between your lives, and it doesn't feel like it's building towards something. But the good news is you don't need to stop. You just need to shift how you approach your lives. Once it starts to feel like progress, it's going to stop feeling like work. If you want more simple strategies like this to help you grow your live audience, stay consistent, and turn your lives into real momentum, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.